Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore Fulani Socio-Cultural Association cordially invite all members of the association and the general public to a one-day conference on peace and conflict resolution under the chairmanship of retired Captain Ahmad Chiroma, Deputy Secretary, Presidential Think Tank on Defense and Security. Theme: the essence of the revival of the Fulaku cultural heritage among Fulani communities. Chief guest Alhaji Abdullahi Bello Bodejo, the National Chairman, Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore Fulani Socio-Cultural Association. Chief host, Governor of Taraba State, Darius Dixon Ishaku. Guest of honor, Captain Usman Muhammad Jahun, Commander General of the Vigilante Group of Nigeria. Guest speaker, Dr. Abubakar Gire, FCE Yola, Adamawa State. Royal Father of the Day, His Royal Highness Alhaji Dr. Shehu Audubaju, Chairman, Sardauna Traditional Council, Mambila Gembu, Taraba State. Date of the event, Saturday, 3rd April 2021. Venue, Jolly Nyame Stadium, Jalingo, Taraba State. Time, 10 a.m. prompt. National Working Committee of Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore Fulani Socio-Cultural Association announcer.